Basic Indian fish fry is very simple to make and totally delicious. There are variations from region to region, but one I personally enjoy is this simple mackerel fry. Ingredients: 3 full mackerel fishes, 1 lemon, 10 to 15 small onions, 10 garlic cloves, and 2 inches of ginger. Spice powders: 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Preparing masala: take a mixer grinder jar and put a handful of small onions, ginger garlic, spice powders, and squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Pour in a few spoons of water and blend it into a thick paste. Marinating: take the cleaned fish and make slashes all over it. Be gentle and do not cut too deep. Marinate the pieces with the ground paste. Also rub inside the slits of mackerel well. Fish must be well coated with the marinade. Frying the fish: heat 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil in a pan. We need enough oil to cover the base. Once the oil is hot enough, gently place the fish pieces into the oil and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Now the first side of the fish is dark brown. Gently flip and cook for 5 more minutes. I like fish with more masala, so I am adding a spoon of the remaining masala onto the fish and spreading it over it. Add in few sprigs of curry leaves. Fry both sides on high flame again for a minute before taking out the fish. And it's ready to be served and dished out. Serve the fish fry hot with sliced onions and lemon wedges. Enjoy recreating this in your kitchen and share your feedback in the comments. Happy cooking!